In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed forms on your website with HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot CRM account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you have access to the form you want to place on your website. Once you're inside HubSpot, go to the main navigation, open Marketing, and then select Forms. This is where all of your existing forms are stored and managed. Next, find the specific form you want to embed and open it. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the right form and that everything looks the way you want before placing it on your site. After that, open the Actions menu and click View. This will take you to the Form view where you can access sharing and embedding options. From there, open the Form sharing options. This is the area HubSpot provides for using the form outside the platform. You'll see an embed option with a code snippet generated for that form. Copy the full embed code carefully. It's important to copy the entire code exactly as provided so the form loads properly on your website. Now switch over to your website editor. This could be your CMS, website builder, or the HTML editor for the page where you want the form to appear. Navigate to the page and location where the form should be displayed. Then paste the embed code into that section of the page. In most cases, this needs to go into a custom HTML block, code module, or embed element, depending on the platform you're using. Once the code is in place, save the page. Saving first gives you a chance to make sure your edits are stored before the page goes live. After that, publish the page so the embedded form becomes visible to visitors on your site. Finally, open the live web page and verify that the form is displayed correctly. Check that it appears in the right location, loads fully, and matches the layout of your page. It's also a good idea to test the form yourself to make sure it functions as expected and provides a smooth experience for visitors. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a HubSpot form on your website. Thanks for watching.